Welcome to Nanyang Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how to prepare the black glutinous rice, which is also called Bubur Hitam. It's a very simple ingredients right over here. All you need to do is a black glutinous rice, and then red bean is optional. It's whether you want to have a very special, unique texture with it. And then you need sugar, some salt, then the coconut milk is optional as well. And then gula melaka is also optional. It will make the flavor much better personally. And then also you can add in the pandan leaf, which is I hate the most. I don't like pandan leaf, but I think that most of you, if you want to follow in the traditional way, pandan leaf is a must for you. And then water. Today I'm having a rice cooker and also a traditional pot. So a lot of people think that to prepare a bubur hitam, the black glutinous rice, is very difficult, a lot of work. But if you have a modern rice cooker, it's actually very simple. You just throw everything in and then you can prepare a very good bubur hitam. So what I'm going to do is that the first thing I will prepare the bubur hitam with the rice cooker, and then I will use the traditional way to cook it for the bubur hitam, and then we can see which one tastes the best. Let's try to cook the bubur hitam with the rice cooker first because it's very easy. Just basically you throw everything in. So now let me throw in all the black glutinous rice, and then you throw in the red bean, and then two pinch of the salt, and then I personally love the I love the gula melaka very much. I'm going to add about 40 grams of the gula melaka. And then for some people, when they cook the bubur hitam, they will add in the coconut milk, but I will prefer to add it later. And for some people, if you like your bubur hitam to be sweet, you can always add in some of the sugar. To me, I think I put a lot of the gula melaka already, but I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of the sugar, and then 1 liter of the water. If you are using the traditional rice cooker without the soup function or the dessert function, try to put a little bit more water, then it will be easier for you to cook the bubur hitam. So now let me choose the function. I choose the porridge function, or if you have the soup function, you can always choose that as well. So let's start cooking. This is done for the way you cook the black glutinous rice with the rice cooker. Very simple, just throw everything inside. If you love to have the pandan leaf, throw in as well. And then once it's cooked, you're ready to serve it. Some people, they'll think that to use the rice cooker is not very traditional. But to me, personally, I think that as long as you can cook the glutinous rice soft and then it tastes good, it's good enough. To cook the bubur hitam, the black glutinous rice in the pot, all you need to do is you need the 40 grams of the black glutinous rice, and then 10 grams of the the red bean, and then some salt, some sugar, coconut milk, and then the gula melaka, and about 400 milliliter of the water for you to cook it. After I settle with the bubur hitam with the rice cooker, let me try with the one cooked with the pot. With the pot, I will suggest you to cook it smaller portions, which is easier to control because you need to constantly to stir it to prevent it to get burnt. So now what I need to do is the same thing, throw in everything, the black glutinous rice. After that, put in the red bean, and then I will put about 30 grams of the gula melaka, and then 1 pinch of the sea salt, red salt, or any kind of salt you like it. And then I'm going to add in about 300 milliliters of the water. It's up to you. The water is if you like it to be more gluey and then more thicker, and then you can put on less water, or if you like it to be watery, just give it lesser water. After you put all the ingredients inside the pot, if you like to add in the pandan leaf, feel free to add in, and then just cook with the medium heat for about 40 minutes. And remember to keep stir it, don't get burnt, and then otherwise the whole pot will be gone. After 30 minutes, you can see that the Bubur Hitam is getting more smoother now. And then if you think that you need to add more water, just go ahead to add more water. And then otherwise just leave it to cook. And then in about 20 minutes more and then or 10 minutes more, it's ready to serve. Check out the thickness. And then I make sure that the glutinous, right, the black Bubur Hitam is soft enough and the red bean is soft enough. So I'm going to leave it. And then as the meantime, the rice cooker cooking the rice is still cooking the Bubur Hitam. So I'm going to off the heat for this one first. I have a special guest with me, Sean. Woohoo. So yeah, this is cooked for about 40 minutes and then it's very gluey over here. Yeah. Yeah, of course, that is very optional. I mean, flexible. If you need to be more watery, just add more water. If you need to be like gummy, gluey, you can add the cornstarch. Just put with cold water and then cook together. It'll be more gluey. And then this is the one to cook with the rice cooker. I make it more watery. And then, yeah, I think I should reduce water because every rice cooker is different. So you might not know. I think you need more practice on your rice cooker. Would you like to add more water on the rice?
No, I think it's fine.
It's fine with this?
Yes.
Okay, let me put it down first. To enjoy the Bubur Hitam, the black glutinous rice, I will suggest you to add drizzle with some coconut milk. If you have the watery types of the Bubur Hitam, just add a little bit of the coconut milk.
I like the color contrasts, the white against the black.
Okay, let me put more for
smells
you.
very good. The coconut.